Hey guys, today we're gonna make quick and easy bagels with just flour, baking powder, Greek yogurt, and a little bit of sugar. So for the flour, you need 2 cups of flour, a cup and a half of Greek yogurt. I'm using the plain version. And you're also gonna need a tablespoon of sugar because the yogurt is plain, so it will take away that sour taste from it. So welcome back to my channel, and let's do this together. All right. Gonna love heavy to flow, smooth like water, no more hunger for the sweeter. We got the recipe for life. Baking powder. If you want, you could use self-rising flour. I just don't have it. I prefer to do my own. Sugar. Yogurt. We are here now. Food-Farrell's corner is the place to be when you dream. It's the place you see. We're just gonna mix all of that up. You realize where you're supposed to be. Whoopsies. And now I'm gonna just use my hands because I need to get that all kneaded up. How soft that is. Guys, my tune is in the back. This is one of my other songs. 24/7, like the night after. Any rock that falls, we shall overcome. Like the corner, we are here for you on the journey of 1K subscribers. No love lost, we are here now. That's right. Corner is the place to be when you move like water. No more hunger for the sweeter. We got the recipe for life. Food-Farrell's corner, 24/7, like the night after. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more flour because it's a little too wet. Just a little dusting, nothing great. We are here for you on the journey of 1K subscribers. Yeah, just a little bit. We are here now. There we go. Just a little dusting is good. Sometimes you could just add a little to it to get it to that consistency that you're looking for. Yes. And again, you don't want to knead it too hard. Okay, that is perfect. That's what I'm looking for. See how squishy it is? Okay, so we're gonna let this rise for a few minutes. And we'll be right back. We are here now. Okay, so now just gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour on there. Take my dough out. Just gonna cut it. You could choose any size. So let's do 6. 6 of these bad mama jammas. Okay. So just gonna roll it out like that. Or you could do like this. Either one. It's gonna be some big bagels, guys. Then I'm gonna just do that. On the floor, the cedar, we got the recipe. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, maybe this one's too big. Maybe I went overboard here, guys. The night. Okay. Let's do this one. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Just rolling it out. See how my dough is so soft, guys? That's how you want it. So you want your bagels to be fluffy. When you dream, it's the place you see. Look at that. When you get lost, you realize where you're supposed to be. And it's not even hard to make. Oops. It's very simple to do, guys. I hope it comes out as good as I think it's gonna turn out. Again, this is my first time making it with this ingredients. I've made it once before, but I think I used chickpea flour. Yeah, you could use anything. Yeah, I think I used chickpea flour for it. Guys, these songs that I use for Farrell's Corner, they are actually things that actually happened while on my live. And I figured, why not? Why not indeed? Make the little songs for my corner. It's good to make your own stuff. You gotta be your original person, you know? Corner 7. Oh, this is gonna be so good. We are here for you on the journey of 1K subscribers. No love lost. We are here now. That's the aim, guys. 1K subscribers. The journey. The journey is real. It's the place you see. When you get lost, you realize where you're supposed to be. I like my bagels fat. I don't know about you guys. I love me some fat bagels, big fat bagels. I love bread. I love bagels. Next time I'm gonna do a little twist with the bagels for you guys. And I'm gonna add fruit to it. Oh, I should have thought of that before. Oh, me, only me. Because I think the last time I did it, I did the blueberry bagels, but I don't think I recorded it. On the floor, the cedar, we got the recipe for that. Farrell's Corner, 24/7, like the night after. And you rock that boat, shallow. There, all 12 of them. Look at that. Like the corner. Good stuff. We are here for you. Okay, I'm just gonna let this rise a little bit. Okay, guys. So now I have my pan, parchment paper. So I'm gonna place my bagels on there. I hope they all fit. Hope you could see that. If not, I'm gonna just have to do 6 at a time. Just place it on there the best that you can. Yeah. So what I'm gonna actually do, I have some bagel seasoning seeds. Like I put my own seasoning to it because I want to have a certain taste to it. So that's what you could do. But I'm also just gonna put a little bit of oil on there so it stays onto it. You don't have to put a lot because you don't want it too greasy. It just gives it a nice glow, you know? Yeah. Forgot to mention that at the beginning. Some people use butter, some people use egg wash. Again, Farrell's Kitchen, your kitchen. Use what you have. Use what you prefer. If you have avocado oil, coconut oil, just use whatever you have, guys. Make it your own. That's what it's about. Okay. Then I'm just going to sprinkle some, not too much, because these things get stuck in your teeth. I should have done it the other way. But it's alright. Tap, tap, tap. Wasting a lot of seeds, but it's okay. Sesame seeds, guys. Like bagel seasoning, sesame seed stuff. Again, use what you have. You could use flaxseed. You could use grated pumpkin seeds, pumpkin bagels, any bagels. The thing is, you have to be creative in your kitchen, and that is what counts, and that's what makes your food different and stands out from everybody else's. Because you don't want to be doing the same thing, right? Copying the same thing. You gotta give it a little twist. Yeah, makes it unique. All right, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So I set the oven to 350. We'll put it in, and we shall see what happens. 24/7, like the night after, and you rock that for, we shall overcome, like the